Welcome back to Car Trend, the ultimate destination for everything bold, big, and built to conquer. Today, we're taking you into a realm where nostalgia meets monstrous power, where school memories are twisted into something totally wild. This isn't your typical yellow school bus. This is the new 1990 custom monster school bus, a beast born from the classic International 3800, reimagined into a rugged, towering off-road warrior. And trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. Let's start with its origins. The International 3800 was once the backbone of American school transportation. Known for its durability and long production run from 1989 to the early 2000s, it served generations of students with reliability and strength. But what happens when you take that sturdy foundation and fuse it with monster truck DNA? You get a machine that's both terrifying and jaw-dropping. This is the ultimate rebellion against normal. From the moment you lay eyes on this custom monster school bus, it's impossible not to stare. Standing high on massive off-road monster tires, this machine towers over regular vehicles like a skyscraper among houses. The classic yellow paint job has been retained, but it now pops against the aggressive black accents, lifted suspension, and ultra-wide wheel arches. The rugged steel bumpers, reinforced side steps, and front winch aren't just for looks, they're there for battle. This bus doesn't just roll through terrain, it dominates it. But it's not just about looking wild. This monster bus has real performance power. Beneath that long, intimidating hood is a diesel powerhouse, finely tuned to match the bus's new identity. Whether it's a roaring DT466 or a swapped-in Cummins beast, the sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine. That low-end torque, the raw growl, and the sheer force with which it moves, it's all part of the experience. Driving this monster feels less like controlling a vehicle and more like commanding a machine from a post-apocalyptic world. Let's talk about those tires. These are no ordinary wheels. These are oversized, deep-tread monster truck tires designed to handle everything from deep mud and rocky terrain to snow-packed hills and urban jungles. Combined with a custom high-lift suspension setup, the bus can travel where no school bus was ever meant to go. Forest trails? No problem. Off-road events? Bring it on. Car shows? It steals the spotlight every single time. Climbing inside is a whole new adventure. Gone is the typical school bus interior. In its place, you'll find a rugged cabin that feels like the cockpit of a military transport vehicle. The driver's seat is upgraded with a racing-style harness, and the original dashboard has been reworked to include modern gauges, toggle switches, and even GPS navigation. The steering wheel is custom-built, oversized, and wrapped in leather, giving full control over the beast with just the right touch of authority. Behind the driver, the passenger area is anything but ordinary. You won't find rows of cramped bench seats here. Instead, there are reinforced leather captain's chairs, each equipped with seat belts and custom embroidery. Overhead LED lights add a futuristic glow, and the walls are lined with padded panels and steel framing. The floor is rubberized and durable, ready for boots, mud, and everything in between. And yes, this monster bus isn't just for show or stunts. It's functional too. The rear of the bus opens wide, offering storage space for gear, tools, or even dirt bikes. There's a retractable ladder to reach the roof rack, which is capable of holding camping gear or extra fuel tanks. This turns the bus into not just a vehicle, but a base camp for off-road expeditions. What's truly impressive about this custom monster school bus is the craftsmanship. Every detail has been thought through. The suspension isn't just lifted, it's custom engineered to handle the weight and movement of such a large, reimagined structure. The chassis is reinforced, the drivetrain has been upgraded, and even the electrical system has been modernized to power all the lights, winches, and accessories without fail. This is a project built with passion, precision, and pure creativity. And let's not forget the reaction it gets wherever it goes. Whether it's kids on the street pointing in amazement or hardcore gearheads snapping photos at a car meet, the response is always the same: total admiration. It's not just a vehicle, it's a rolling symbol of imagination unleashed. A machine that took a part of history, the humble school bus, and turned it into a monster that breaks rules, breaks ground, and breaks expectations. On the road, this bus is surprisingly stable. Thanks to its wide stance and carefully tuned shocks, it absorbs bumps like a champ. It may not be a speed demon, but when you're this high up and making this big of an entrance, speed isn't the point, presence is. And presence. This monster has more than enough. As we wrap up this journey into the wild world of the 1990 custom monster school bus, one thing is clear: this isn't just a build, it's a statement. It tells the world that limits are meant to be broken. That even the most ordinary things, a school bus, of all things, can be transformed into something extraordinary with vision, courage, and a whole lot of horsepower. For off-road lovers, custom vehicle fans, and anyone who's ever dreamed of turning something normal into something unforgettable, this is the dream come to life. Whether you see it crawling through mud, parking at a show, or just rolling through a neighborhood turning heads, the custom monster school bus is unforgettable. And here at Car Trend, we're all about showcasing machines that dare to be different. So if you love wild builds, powerful rides, and turning ordinary into legendary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because this is just the beginning. At Car Trend, we bring you the cars and trucks that make your jaw drop, and your heart race. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride.